Alright guys, welcome back to the Maguire Motorsports YouTube channel. Been a while since we shot a video. We just had lots of bad weather, lots of stuff going on. Even had to do a little mechanical work on my daily driver. So we've not got to do a whole lot on the engine. We're back in the shop tonight and we're going to get started back on reassembly. I'll show you where we're at. As you can see, we got the engine block turned over. We've just set the oil pump drive shaft in here. Gonna install the oil pump. Here's the new oil pump that we'll be putting in it. It's just a Ford right here. Ford Performance Parts, the M6600-B3 high volume oil pump. Got it from Summit Racing. We're going to go with the front sump pan. This right here's the pan that we've chosen. It's like a gold zinc coating, just the Summit branded pan. Again, front sump. Got the new Mellings oil pump pickup for a front sump that we're going to use with it. Something else I'll show you guys. Of course, our engine paint for when we got it ready to paint. Right here, stainless steel bolt kit we'll be installing everything with. We've got our timer chain cover here that we'll be putting in. The Summit 4400 camshaft there, which is comparable to just like a 50 HO camshaft. Our gasket kit here. One of the coolest parts that we've bought that I'll show you guys real quick. You can see it's the Salt Racing Products. This was an eBay item we purchased. I forget the exact dollar amount right now, but we wanted to go ahead and go 4-barrel. We wanted it to look nice, so of course we went with the full polished intake. I think it looked pretty good. So that's something else that we purchased for the truck, for this little 351. Okay. We did have another nice shiny piece purchased. Got some junk sitting on it right here, but let me show you guys this. I'm not a Ford guy. Well, I am, but I've not messed with a lot of Fords as far as getting very deep into the mechanicals of them. And that's where I kind of ran into a deal on this. Oh, I'm about to lose some rock arms. But we purchased this oil pan originally, hoping to use it. But it's a really nice finned polished aluminum piece. I'm assuming that it is for a 289 or smaller, because when we go to set it on the engine, this rear main where it rests, it was just way too large to fit that pan. The pan's a lot smaller, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume that the main journal, at least in that section of the 351, is larger than the 289 or 260 cubic inch. But that's basically where we're at right now. We're going to try to get a little something done tonight. It may be 2 or 3 nights of assembly ahead of us, which is fine. Again, when you work all day, you get home, you might get a couple hours each evening to piddle with it. But we'll see how far we get. If the GoPro's got any battery left in it, we'll try to do a little time lapse for you. But we'll check back in a little later and let you know how everything's going. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We've had a little lull in that. Of course, we've not been putting out the videos that we need to, so hopefully we'll get back to it. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, so we're back with you here. Gonna bring you in, let you see what all we've done so far. So as you can see, we still got the motor turned over. We come in, we put the, I showed you a while ago, the oil pump drive shaft that goes down to the distributor to turn. Actually the cam turns to the distributor turns to the oil pump drive shaft, which turns the gears in the oil pump to suck oil here. But we got that installed, got the oil pump installed. We bolted up the oil pump pickup screen. We checked clearances up against the pan. Should be right at, you know, the recommend like 3/8 inch clearance to the bottom of the oil pan. We've come in, can't put the front oil pan seal on because the timing chain cover's not on yet. Went ahead and installed the oil pan gasket here. It goes around this main cap. These side rail gaskets. Like I said, we bought the stainless steel bolt kit, so we went through and put in all the stainless steel studs. I've test fit the pan down over it. Everything goes down over it good. We're getting ready to put a little dab of silicone here in the where the gaskets meet, here and here. Then we'll slap the pan on there and get her bolted down tight, and we'll see what else we can get done tonight, if anything else at all. Just have to see how much time allows tonight. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so I think we're about wrapped up all we're going to get done tonight. It's starting to get kind of late. You can see it's dark out. But as you can see, the oil pan is now installed on the engine. I think it'll look real good when we get the Ford blue paint on it. We got these nice, you can see them, little stainless steel bolt set. I think that's going to look pretty good on there. We got a couple of dabs of silicone we put in the corners here, like you do on most applications for an oil pan. Just where the gaskets meet. The only thing I have concerns about after putting the pan on is I'm hoping, and I think we'll be able to still get the timing chain cover slid in there. If we have to, it won't be no big deal to go back and loosen up these bolts. I'm still going to go back after that silicone dries and torque everything down just to make sure it's all right on. Tomorrow night, or I'm assuming tomorrow night, next night we get to work, we'll come down. Go ahead and get the the heads. We got a single bolt holding them on it now, but we'll throw the gaskets on, get them bolted down, get ready to slide the camshaft in and the lifts, and then they'll probably be about ready to start painting and putting on some more nice parts like the intake I showed you earlier. I still need to get some valve covers. I had some order, but with the shipping and the way stuff is right now, they kept on pushing the date back till finally Summit Racing said, we'll just give you your money back, because we ordered them I think on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day, and today is February 9th and they're still not here, and you guys know how quick Summit is on shipping stuff, so it's their supplier and this supply chain issues that's going on right now. But that's where we're at right now. Hopefully the GoPro didn't die. We'll have a little time lapse for you. Don't know how long this video will be. It may be a short one. If it's too short, we may just wait and combine what we'll do on the next night with it. But for now, that's where we're going to leave off with you guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Try to get other people to subscribe. And we'll try to keep this going on. Hopefully not as much downtime between videos. Have a good night.